What does Asparagus aethiopicus mean?
Asparagus aethiopicus, often known as the Sprenger's asparagus fern or simply asparagus fern, is a lush, evergreen perennial that belongs to the Asparagaceae family.
Despite its name, it's not a true fern but a member of the Asparagus genus.
Native to South Africa, this plant is prized for its fine, feathery foliage, which gives it a delicate, fern-like appearance.
See more 210 species in genus Asparagus at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Asparagus aethiopicus.
Caring for Asparagus aethiopicus is relatively straightforward, though it does have some specific needs.
Here's a quick guide. Light. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, while too little light may stunt its growth.
Water. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged.
Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Humidity. It prefers higher humidity levels.
If you live in a dry climate, consider placing a humidifier nearby or regularly misting the plant. Temperature. Ideal temperatures range from 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Protect it from drafts and sudden temperature changes.
Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mix designed for ferns or houseplants works well. How to propagate Asparagus aethiopicus.
Propagating Asparagus aethiopicus can be done through division or from seeds. Division. This is the simplest method. Gently remove the plant from its pot and divide the root ball into smaller sections.
Replant each section into new pots. Seeds. If you prefer starting from seeds, sow them in a seed starting mix. Keep the soil moist and warm until germination, which can take a few weeks. What to plant with Asparagus aethiopicus?
Asparagus aethiopicus pairs well with other shade-loving plants.
Consider planting it alongside.
Snake plant, Sansevieria, offers a contrasting texture and thrives in similar light conditions. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum, adds a touch of elegance and shares similar water and humidity needs. Pothose, Epipremnum aureum, provides a lush look and can tolerate various light conditions.
Can you grow Asparagus aethiopicus indoors?
Yes, Asparagus aethiopicus is well suited for indoor environments. Its adaptability to low light and humidity makes it a popular choice for indoor gardens. Ensure it receives bright, indirect light and maintain appropriate humidity levels for optimal growth.
Is Asparagus aethiopicus toxic?
No, Asparagus aethiopicus is non-toxic to humans and pets. However, it's always a good idea to keep any plants out of reach of small children and pets, as ingesting large quantities of plant material can sometimes cause mild gastrointestinal upset.
Benefits of Asparagus aethiopicus.
Asparagus aethiopicus is not just a beautiful plant, it also offers several benefits.
Air purification. It can help improve indoor air quality by removing pollutants. Aesthetic appeal. Its feathery, lush foliage adds a touch of elegance to any space.
Low maintenance. It is relatively easy to care for, making it an excellent choice for busy individuals.
Common problems with Asparagus aethiopicus.
Despite its ease of care, Asparagus aethiopicus can face some issues.
Pests. Watch out for spider mites and scale insects. Regularly inspect the plant and treat any infestations with appropriate insecticides or natural remedies.
Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of overwatering or poor drainage. Ensure the plant is not sitting in soggy soil and adjust watering habits as needed.
Leggy growth. Lack of light can cause the plant to become leggy. Move it to a brighter location to encourage fuller growth. How to get rid of Asparagus aethiopicus.
If you need to remove Asparagus aethiopicus from your space, you can follow these steps.
Remove from pot. Gently take the plant out of its pot.
Dispose of plant material. You can compost the plant material or dispose of it in your green waste bin. Clean the area. Ensure the area where the plant was located is cleaned and disinfected to prevent any pests or diseases from spreading.
Compare Asparagus aethiopicus with similar plants.
Asparagus aethiopicus is often confused with other plants due to its fern-like appearance. Asparagus setaceus, another species of asparagus, also known as the common asparagus fern. It has similar care requirements but tends to be a bit more delicate.
Maidenhair fern, Adiantum, a true fern with similar fine foliage.
However, maidenhair ferns generally require higher humidity and more specific care than Asparagus aethiopicus. By understanding these aspects of Asparagus aethiopicus, you can enjoy this plant's beauty and benefits while addressing any challenges that may arise.